So how do you promote make money online affiliate programs if you don't have the results to share yourself, right? This is one of the most common concerns of folks and beginners who are promoting products like Legendary Marketer. So if you don't know, my name is Brian Brewer. I'm a Legendary Marketer affiliate, and I created this group and this YouTube channel, depending on where you're watching this, in order to help you make more money with Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer is marketing, education, and coaching. So basically, Legendary Marketer teaches you high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, one of the major benefits of this particular program is after you learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can then turn around and become an approved affiliate with Legendary Marketer, so you can then go earn commissions promoting the products that you already know, right? So it's just a great business model for beginners. But the problem is, how do you promote a product that teaches high-ticket affiliate marketing if you've never made any money with high-ticket affiliate marketing? Well, I'm going to give you 3 tips right now in this video that are going to show you how you can do this, even as a complete beginner. So first and foremost, let's be completely honest. Results and leveraging results, that's an extremely powerful marketing tactic. For example, if I take you inside my Legendary Marketer dashboard and I show you results like this and say, hey, I made these commissions by promoting Legendary Marketer, well, then you're going to take notice and you're going to be highly likely to be interested in promoting Legendary Marketer, right? However, what if you don't have these results, right? Well, let's dive into that right now. If you do want to partner with Legendary Marketer, after you watch this video, make sure you go over to my15daychallenge.com so you can get started. I'll even follow up with more training, tips, and tutorials to help you along the way. But the first thing we want to do is leverage our story. So let's say we're promoting Legendary Marketer. We don't have the results, but we want to attract people through content and then make the recommendation to Legendary Marketer so they purchase and then we end up making a commission. Well, a perfect example of this is a post that Brandon, who happens to be in my affiliate marketing and passive income Facebook group, also happens to be a Legendary Marketer affiliate. I had to screenshot this post because it's such a great example of how you can leverage your story in order to attract attention and then build the bond, right? Because that's really what this is all about. That's what marketing is all about. So for example, in this post, Brandon, he posted this in another group, as a matter of fact. He says, earning that first commission can be the most difficult. And he goes on to talk about the struggles and how frustrating it can be, right? Then he talks about keep pushing forward. Now, what you'll notice in this post, he's really talking about the struggle. He's reminding people of the pain point of not having success. And in doing so, he's building that bond because people, really what they want, right? Like folks, like potential leads. What they really want is they want to be understood. And what Brandon's doing a great job of in this post is using his story to let potential customers of Legendary Marketer know that he understands their pain. And you can see here, the first 2 comments, one says, yes, I can relate. The second one says, thanks for posting this. It resonates with me. And I highlighted this so I could share this with the folks in my affiliate marketing group because it's so powerful. Right there, that's proof that this is working, because when people relate to you, when you can resonate, when your message resonates with people, they're going to trust you. And once you have that trust established, it's as simple as making a recommendation to the product that can help them overcome the exact pain points that you just reminded them of. So that's super powerful, works extremely well. And the cool thing is you can reframe that same story and take multiple different angles on the same social media platform. This would work extremely well on TikTok. Discredit every other business model, right? Because every business model has some negatives. So just mention the negatives of a business model. You can do some research on Google to find out what business models have what negatives, and then paint the glossy, glowy picture of high-ticket affiliate marketing. So let's say I'm wrapping my story and I still haven't seen results, but I talk about how I've been struggling for the past year to make money online. And I looked into drop shipping because it seemed reasonable. It seemed like I didn't have to invest a whole lot of money up front because I didn't have to carry inventory. However, once I started looking into it, I realized there was going to be shipping issues and fulfillment issues and refund issues. And we're going to have trouble keeping products in stock because drop shipping suppliers, when they run out, they disappear, right? And basically what we can do is we can talk about all the negatives of the drop shipping business. It's become saturated. People know products are coming from China and they aren't happy about waiting 15 days. They can spot a Shopify dropshipping store a mile away, right? We talk about all the negatives of dropshipping. And then what we can do then is make the switch, introduce the new opportunity. Luckily, I found high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing checked all the boxes. It didn't require me to carry inventory. It didn't require me to invest a bunch of money up front. However, I can earn high commissions. And I don't have to worry about all those customer service issues because my affiliate partner handles that, right? So in that, I never said anything about results. I simply said, hey, I understand this model. It doesn't work because, but this model does, right? When we bring that opportunity switch in, we show them the new opportunity. They have no choice but to say, hey, high ticket affiliate marketing must be the way to go. And oh, by the way, Legendary Marketer is the best place to learn high ticket affiliate marketing. Go ahead and click my link to join the $7 Business Builder Challenge. But let's just say for a second that that's still not good enough for you. You really believe that people need to see eye-popping results in order to be interested enough to take action and go purchase something like Legendary Marketer. Well, that's not true. I think I've just proven that. But let's say that's what you believe. There are ways around this. And what we can do is we can do more of a hook story offer approach and talk about potential with the hook. So let me give you an example here. So I could say, hey, look how I made $30,000 last month with high ticket affiliate marketing. That's a pretty big hook, right? That's eye-popping. But what you could also do is talk about potential. For example, with Legendary Marketer, you can promote certain products that earn you $1,000 commission. So you could say something like, hey, would you like the potential to earn $1,000 with a single click, right? That's the hook. You're not saying you can, you're not saying it's guaranteed, you're not saying you have. You say, would you like the potential to earn $1,000 with a single click, right? Because one referral to Legendary Marketer could turn into a $1,000 commission, right? But that's got the hook. That's the eye-popping number. Well, cool. Legendary Marketer has high ticket affiliate options. If you want to learn more about it, join the Business Builder Challenge, right? Click my affiliate link to go start, right? So you leveraged eye-popping potential results using a hook story offer in a way that you never said you've earned those type of commissions. It's all about how you pre-frame it, how you word things as well, right? Like you don't want to lie. You don't want to get yourself into compliance issues, right? You want to be ultra compliant. You don't want to make any false promises, any guarantees. This is marketing. Finally, the third way that you can actually do this without results is probably the best way, because this is going to give your brand the long-term sustainable growth. And when you do this, that's when you see the snowball effect down the road. And the way you do this is you create content around teaching, around helping other people. Now, if you're just getting started, you might not know a whole lot about affiliate marketing, but that's the beauty of promoting something like Legendary Marketer. When you go through their products, when you buy into their products, when you learn their products, you're going to learn marketing skills. So what we do is we learn. First, we go through the program. Then we actually do the steps. So for example, one of the things that Legendary Marketer is going to teach you is how to set up a bridge page. Okay. Now, after we've done that, after you've started that, because it's kind of step one, right? Then you can teach that. Hey, if you're thinking about making money online, you might want to consider affiliate marketing. One of the most powerful tools for affiliate marketers is a bridge page. Here's what it is. Da-da-da-da. And you can teach that in short form on TikTok. You can teach that in longer form on YouTube. Two things are going to happen. A, when you teach something, you're going to master it. The other thing that's going to happen is when you teach something, that's going to automatically attract the people who are interested in the end product, right? If you learn stuff from Legendary Marketer, then you turn around and teach it, the algorithms are going to work in your favor. Because people are going to come into that content. They're going to see, hey, this is cool. This is what I want to do. And once you start them down the path of learning, they're going to be invested. Maybe not money yet, but with their time. So they're going to be highly likely to want to invest more. So that's when you can turn around and make the recommendation. Say, hey, if you like this concept and you want to learn more about high ticket affiliate marketing so you can start an online business, make sure you join Legendary Marketer. All right, click my link in the bio. Okay, so those are some ways that you can leverage stories, your knowledge, your new knowledge into promoting something like Legendary Marketer even before you get those results. And the cool thing is, if you're taking the third approach with the learn, do, teach, remember, you don't have to be the foremost expert. Legendary Marketer is the expert on marketing. You just have to get people introduced and excited and down the path so they can get to the point where they're ready to take the first step of joining the Legendary Marketer Business Builder Challenge, because people don't have to believe you. They have to believe in themselves. And if you teach them something, that's going to help build their belief, and they're going to be more likely to purchase. So those are 3 very powerful techniques. Use them all. And then guess what? Once you start getting your results, you can then leverage those results. Hey, 3 weeks ago, I knew nothing about affiliate marketing. Now I made my first commission, all thanks to Legendary Marketer. Right? It just makes sense. It's powerful. Use it. And here's the thing. You can't leverage results forever because people get tired of that. Eventually, you're just some guy who's showing money. You got to give people substance for long term, and you do that with stories. Because remember, facts tell, but stories sell. And you do that with teaching, with education. You want to educate and empower people to make a positive change in their lives by purchasing the product that you're promoting, which in this case can be Legendary Marketer. If you're not a Legendary Marketer yet and you do want to get started, make sure you go over to my15daychallenge.com and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next video.